Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create a new Apple ID in MacBook. So let's get started. Creating a new Apple ID on your MacBook is a straightforward process. So first thing first, click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Then all you have to do is click on the Apple ID option available in the top, and if you are not already signed in with an Apple ID, you will see an option to create a new one. Click on Create Apple ID. This option might be under the Sign In button if you are not signed in. You will be prompted to enter your birthday, personal details, fill in the required fields and click Next. After that, you'll again be prompted to enter your first name, last name, and other personal details. You'll again have to fill in the required fields and continue with the process. You will have to enter your email address, and this will be your new Apple ID. After that, you'll have to create a password. You will also need to confirm the password. Make sure your password meets Apple's security requirements. After that, continue with the process and you will have to enter your phone number. Apple will send you a verification code in your phone number in order to create the Apple ID. So now enter your phone number and select your country or region. Now all you have to do is enter the verification code Apple sent you on your phone number and continue with the process, and your Apple ID will be created. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.